Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change an invoice template in QuickBooks Online. Alright, let's begin. First, open your QuickBooks profile and tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Under the Your Company section, select Custom Form Styles. This will allow you to modify existing invoice templates or create a new one. To create a new template, click on the New Style button in the upper right corner and choose Invoice. Now, go to the Design tab, where you can edit the template name, add a logo, change colors, adjust fonts, and modify margins. Next, navigate to the Content tab to customize different sections of the invoice. Here, you can edit the header, body, and footer to match your business needs. Once you have made all the necessary adjustments, tap the Done button to save your changes. So that's basically how you can change an invoice template in QuickBooks Online. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.